man in this space came from somewhere else. The barn is located between fields. The birds enter an old barn. It moved in from the wall cracks. Just like honey, some kind of heavenly liquid, pouring its body over. Nobody drips in there, where painful afternoon light creates network on wall.
The birds look
at the ceiling.
Cells and memory corners started to wake up in its body as a result of this liquid. It's warm. It is bitter worn out and gives a forgotten feeling. One forgotten memory ran as an arrow through its head. The other white feeling went through its legs. Wind grows in from the walls, and the sunlight makes patterns
in the air.
And the floor.
On the floor. Silence is humming on birds' ears. It had been exhilarated by that space, excited, left alone. In this barn, small light lives. It's light brown and has small cracked spots. Aside from being alone, birds feel the whole cosmos penetrating their skin and bones. Man, in what it was, spoke with it from top to toe. It never makes any sound, and its eyes are bright, melancholic green. Birds are nothing but a sack of light moving on the space. Somewhere on the other sides.
On the other sides of the walls, grass moved. The other houses and emerald green spaces were. With those eyes it could see all the secrets in a human heart. Bird's feelings were mixed with anxiety of death and coming of existence. Men, forgotten in spaces, ever gathering and saturating. But nobody ever goes there.
Feeling jointness
Feeling
with the
jointness
physical universe.
with the physical universe.
So
So it won't.
no thoughts, but the growing mixture of emotions.